Hey, good morning everybody. This is Tim here with GraymanPOTA, and I am at the last day of the Hamcation 2024 here in Florida. And right now I'm joined by Steve from Alpha Antenna, alphaantenna.com, as I've been corrected here. And we're going to talk about some of his antenna offerings. And Steve, I'm going to go ahead and turn it over to you and get out of your way.
All right, well, thanks for dropping by. I appreciate it. We've had a lot of great conversations, a lot of normal people, a lot of fun times. Hanging out after the Hamcation was great. Again, yeah, last day, we have 3 systems that we featured. One is a full-size dipole, as well as a vertical system that goes in a small bag that'll handle a 1.5 kilowatt, so full legal system. And it goes from 440 megahertz down to 7 megahertz. The whips will extend out to 17 feet 9 inches, and this is a hex hub that can be put on a boom so that you can have a Yagi with it as well. We do offer that at alphaantenna.com. 2 other systems that we featured was a 100 watt magnetic loop antenna, which is here, and we developed an ADA compliant device for people that are vision impaired. It's a SWR sounder that will go beep when the high voltages are detected and your loop is then tuned. We found out that some people thought this 1 ounce device here was pretty nice to take with them when they go on POTA, because it's 1 ounce and you don't need an analyzer anymore. Just set it on your loop, doesn't matter whose it is really, and tune this. But if you want something that's great and actually has been designed right to handle 100 watts and not arc with the poor designs, get this one from alphaantenna.com. Over here we have an off-center fed dipole. A lot of people will be building these with just a vertical element, and they just feed it as simply a lossy radiator. Well, an off-center fed dipole has a balance. Here's one half of the antenna system. This is 25-foot wire when deployed in the vertical. This is the other half of the antenna system. It's a grounded counterpoise. The balun is in the center where you connect your coax. Every one of these antennas that I just showed you, but the first one, has a 90-second deployment time. Found out something this morning that was fun. Picked up this tripod to deploy it, and suddenly it was deployed. That cut the deployment time from 90 seconds on those 2 antennas, as well as tear down, to about 80 seconds. So a little bit better all the time. We're always looking for things a little bit better, making them outstanding systems. We're on version 17 of the loop, version 32 on the off-center fed dipole, and version 6 on the full-size hex antenna. So thanks for dropping by. Everybody have a great day, and come to Hamcation, come to any Hamfest. We go to Hamfest, we're that company, not the companies that don't. We're here. We're here for you, always. In my will, this company is given to my employees. We will be around forever. 73.
All right, thank you, Stephen. And once again, how can people find your website?
alphaantenna.com.
So,
yeah.
All right, thank you. Everybody have a great weekend or a great week, and we will catch you in the next video. 73.